Is your Lexus IS250 key fob not working? It likely needs a new battery. The IS250 uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool. First, locate the small indentation on the fob's edge. Gently insert the screwdriver and pry the case open. Don't force it. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up with the positive plus symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Snap the case back together. Test the buttons to confirm it works. For best results, always use a quality CR2032 battery from brands like Duracell or Energizer. Avoid cheap generic batteries that may fail prematurely. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, check for corrosion or water damage. Clean the contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol. If issues continue, you may need to visit a Lexus dealership for reprogramming. Batteries typically last 1 to 2 years, but extreme temperatures can shorten their lifespan. Automotive key fobs are trending toward more energy-efficient designs. Future models may eliminate batteries entirely by using kinetic energy or NFC technology. Remember to recycle used batteries properly to reduce environmental impact.